Hello and welcome back to Teach Me Money Methods. In today's quick video, I'm going to be talking about how to make money on YouTube without monetization. And so what does that mean? So many are teaching how to make money on YouTube without monetization, right? So obviously one of the goals of your channel would be to get 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers. So then you can join the YouTube partner program, but you don't have to wait until that point happens. I do teach all about this, how I was able to make thousands of dollars. I believe it was $12,000 or $13,000 in my first 6 months on my YouTube channel without even being monetized. I started making money when I had about 400 subscribers on my channel. And I was really far away from the 4,000 watch hours. So if you're creating valuable content and people are finding your video, there's links in your description that you can put. And in this video, we'll talk about what kind of links that you can put in those videos. But first, you do need to have an idea for your YouTube channel. And so we're going to start there. So for one, we're going to come back over here. And one of the channels that is just really interesting to me, and it's kind of similar to a channel that I have. I'm going to show you that and reveal one of my channels to you. Although I want to make the channel a little bit more like what this channel does. So there's this channel called Practical Wisdom. I might have mentioned it in one other video on this channel. They're closing in on 600,000 subscribers right now. And what they're doing is posting, just listicle type videos, and a lot of them are business related. So you can see right here, this was posted 3 days ago and they have almost 100,000 views on this channel, and they're getting 250 comments and almost 1,000 likes. They're getting a lot of stuff. They're getting a lot of engagement. So what we can do is you can also come over here to Social Blade and type in the channel, right? And see how many uploads it took them to get that far. And it's actually not that many uploads. So they've had some pretty good success. The channel has been going for about 4 years. They have 267 uploads and they have almost 600,000 subscribers and they have almost 42 million views. Now, this is saying that their monthly earnings, from where I'm at on my YouTube channel, I usually, and I can tell that this is a business related type channel, so it's going to have a higher CPM or RPM. So basically the cost per thousand that advertisers are willing to pay. I find that this number, you usually take this number, and if you're in a high CPM niche, which this one would be in, you would multiply it times 3 or 4. Now this would be how much money they're pulling in from just being monetized. But right now I want to talk to you about what they're doing to not, even without being monetized, how much money they could be pulling in. So let's go in here and check out the description over here, right? And you can see right here, get a free audiobook. So right here, you're getting a free audiobook right here. They're putting this in the description, get a free audiobook. But look right here, I can see immediately that this Amazon, amzn.to, this is an affiliate link. So if we click on this affiliate link, they're sending hundreds of people on a daily basis from all their videos right over here to Audible. And they are getting people, this is just a brilliant idea and a great affiliate program to be a part of. So you're getting a complimentary 30-day trial for Audible. Select your plan below and start listening. So I will tell you, I'm a subscriber of Audible. And once you lock in and you start getting, it's such a membership that, these audio books that are, 5 to 10 hours long or even more, generally cost between $20 or $30 for the audiobook just to buy the audiobook. But if you are a member of Audible that you pay a monthly subscription for, they automatically give you 1 credit per month. And you can buy, and there's no limitations. You can buy the most expensive book on the Audible platform for, let's say it's listed for $50. Well, you're going to get a book every month for $50 for $15. So it's a great membership. It's actually a great membership program. And then people get to learn, while they're driving or working out. So this is just a great, and so it's $7.95 a month for 30 days. That's the plus plan. But then the one that you're really going to want to be on is right here, and that's the one that I'm on. It's a $14.95 every month, but you can pick any book out, and your credits stack up, and you can just get as many audiobooks as you want. You can get all the best ones, all the top books, and it's really cool. So that is to show you that they're sending people to get a free audiobook, which is awesome. And they're not being deceiving, because yes, they are getting a free audiobook, but they have to sign up to the program. And if they're going to like the program, and, let's just even say 30% of people go ahead and sign up for the $15 program. Now they're making a commission. I don't know what the commission will be, but imagine, when you have this much traffic coming to your videos, how many people they're sending over here that are actually converting over into paying customers. So this is how they are making a full-time income and then some, without even being on the partner program. So not talking about this earning right here. These earnings right here are just from advertisers, right? But not, even if we deleted that and they weren't making money on the advertising program for some reason, they're still making a lot of money from just putting this simple link right here in their description. And you can tell that it works because they're putting their link right here. The first link right here, these are just hashtags, so they help with the search engine optimization. But this link right here, very important. They're sending traffic over there and making money from that. So that is one way that you can do it. Of course, they're cross-promoting other videos in their channel. Let's see if they have any other things that they are promoting. Right here, it looks like they're just going with the audio program, the Audible program right there, sending traffic to that. So really cool. And then let's go and see what their channel looks like. So what you can do for video ideas, right? I guess just to go back right here. So you could easily go right here. And of course you can go to ClickBank and look for a product to put in your description here, or DigiStore24, or any affiliate program that you could imagine. You can find a relative product to promote if it has anything to do with business or anything like that. And then you can just simply put in, you could put the links in there, and you could put a few in there. Don't go overboard, but 5 or less, and put those in the description. And when people are interested, and all you're doing is just telling them about something. They're not even being salesy. They dropped a link right here. They're not even telling you what to do. They're just putting a link right here. People click on it, and all you're doing is referring people over to a platform that they may not have known about, right? And so with that said, then what you can do is come over here, and then there's another channel over here, and it's called Alux. Now they have 3.5 million subscribers, and they're doing the same thing, right? They're making money without. They have a Mind Mastery right here, their own product. Get a free audiobook thanks to Audible. They're doing the exact same thing. Look at that, exact same thing. That must work, or these channels would not be sending people to the free audiobook program if it didn't work. And it's very related to what they're doing, right? And so you can cruise here. They have a book club, all Sunday motivation videos. Those are all YouTube. Their social media and their website. So they like to bring people back to their website. And so it looks like the Mind Meditation article right there, and the audiobook is big for them as well. So as you can see, this definitely works, or both of those really big channels would not be doing this. So in order to start a channel like this, for example, you can come over here to Practical Wisdom, for example, and what you can actually just come over to the trending. You can go stats, or you can go trending. And I already clicked on it earlier. If you click on the trending, what it'll do, we'll just come back over here to home. And then I'm going to go to videos. And then I'm just going to push, look what happens, right? It's in order right now. 23 hours ago, 2 days, 4 days, 6 days ago. If I click the trending button here, then it's going to go with all the trending. And one cool thing is it's going to be, it's going to make sense that the latest videos are going to be trending. So we'll kind of want to look away from those. But when you start getting into a video from 2 years ago, and it's the 4th trending video that they still have, they're getting 211 views per hour on this. This would be a video that you might want to do your own version of, right? This is what really happens as you start exercising. It's an animated video. Probably cost money to outsource that kind of video, but still, that's a good video idea. 14 things to avoid at all costs if you want to be stinking rich. So these are all the videos that are continuing to get a lot of views. And this one is from 2 months ago, 3 years ago. This one's still getting a lot of views right here. So that is a way you can do some research. You can also come over here. So what I'm going to do is show you one of my channels. If you type in student motivation quotes and you just push search, now I used to be the top video for a long time, and then more and more people got into it, which is okay because I'm not really focusing on this channel, but I'm going to scroll down here and I'm ranked for a lot of keywords. This channel right here, Inspired Motivation Quotes, has almost 2,000 subscribers. This video was one of the best videos, and it has 209,000 views, 109 Facebook. And this was not, there was no paid views or anything like that. So very legitimate views and subscribers. This might be a channel that I might rebrand actually, but I want it to be more closer related to those other channels that we were just talking about. So we can come over here and go to videos, and you can see here are the videos. So it started off as just quotes. We're just putting quotes up, all that kind of stuff. But then you can see that up here, we started changing it a little bit right around in here. 15 things successful people never say, true facts about love and relationships, how to stay healthy and active at home, relaxing sleep music. That was kind of a test. 15 things you need to do before you retire, and 10 habits that will positively improve your life forever. So these kind of videos, now if you click on one, I'm going to click on this one here. I think I narrated this one actually. 15 things you need to do before you retire. In this video, I'm going to be showing you 15 things that you need to do before. So you can tell that that's welcome to Inspired Motivation Quotes. Today I want to talk to you about something that's really important. So this is obviously my voice, so you know that this is my channel. That is me doing the voiceover, and I actually created the video myself and everything, and it's very similar to all those other videos that you're going to see. They use the same software. Seriously about what our lives will be like after I wrote the script and everything. So really cool stuff. So I got the video idea from doing the same type of research that I just told you about, kind of flipping through what was successful for other videos or for other channels, and then kind of did my own take on it, wrote the script. And then once you get the script written, and other places you can get ideas real quick is you can also come in here to like maybe answer the public and ask it a question. I put in student motivation quotes just to see what would come up right here, push search. You can use this site. You can use Google keyword tool, planner tool. You can just type in on Google and Google and YouTube and see what's being suggested. So you can come through here and actually click on the data, and then you can see that there's some different ones like best motivation quotes for students. That one may be a good one. Motivation quotes for a medical student. That one might be a really good one, right? Without this tool, I wouldn't have been able to, I wouldn't have had that idea. So you can do that and then just jot these down. And then when you're ready, outsource a script. You could come over to Conversion AI and start writing a script. This is the way that I've written some of my video scripts lately. Also put this up on Fiverr and have cashed in on that as well. So you can go to this site called Conversion AI. There will be a link below, and this will allow you to write your script for your video. And then once you have your video script written by this tool that will practically do it all for you, really cool stuff, then you can just go over to a software called Vidnami. And all these links I'll drop below. You're welcome to go and just check them out. And they all have free trials. Vidnami has a 14-day free trial. The link below also is a 25% lifetime discount. And then Conversion AI has a 5-day free trial and 10,000 free credits just to try the system out. So you can see that some of the videos that I have created inside this software are right here. And I even have it look Inspired Motivation. So these are just the steps that I take to, create my videos. One of them, another one that I created was an animal top 5. And you can see I had top 5 deadliest snakes, top 5 guard dogs in the world, and top 5 most deadly animals in the world. This is for another channel that I am not working on right now, but it is started and I can go to it anytime I want. So this is kind of the steps that you can do, and you can just put affiliate links in the description like these channels are doing, and you can profit without having to be monetized on YouTube. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, hit that like button, and I'll see you in my next video.